How's it going? My name's Tucker from Automotive. This right here is the newest truck to hit our lot. It's a 2021 Ram 1500 Bighorn. I'm going to do a quick video, run over all the great features on this thing, why you might want to buy it. So sit back and enjoy. Starting out front, we're going to have this big chrome front end with halogen headlights, fog lights down there as well. This one's going to come in the bright white clear coat. It is a beautiful color, especially tied with the chrome accents all along the truck. It is going to have a 5.7 liter Hemi under the hood, pushing down some massive power, and it's only going to have 27,000 miles on it. Right down here, you got some 18-inch wheels with really well-equipped Goodyear tires. These are going to help, so it doesn't really matter if you're taking down, a snowy road, icy road, or if it's raining, or if you're just towing a bunch of weight. It's going to help keep the grip down on the road and the truck planted. Right down here, you can have some wheel running boards to kind of help you get a step up into the truck. These side mirrors are going to be heated, so you can kind of get any snow or ice off before you start driving. It's also going to have a blind spot mirror, so you can see any cars in your blind spot. And this truck is going to be a quad cab, so it's going to give you some extra space for passengers in the back seat and any storage back there. And finishing off our exterior walkthrough before we hop into the interior, back here by the tailgate. So this is going to have a tow hitch, dual exhaust back here, that chrome bumper, just like the front bumper. You're going to have your rear view camera, and lastly, it's going to have a soft drop down bed. Don't mind all the snow, that will be removed, but you can see it has a 6'4" bed, ton of storage for pretty much anything you want to put back here. And looking at the back seat, this is the quad cab. Right here, as you see, you get a little fold down for some drinks. But if you want more storage, you can actually fold these seats up, give you the entirety of your space back here to put whatever you'd like. You also get some nice Ram floor mats so that if it's snowy, it's dirty, and you jump up into the truck, you won't get the carpets all dirty as well. Finishing off our walkthrough now in the front seat, you're going to have some really nice gray cloth seating up here. And as you can see, this is going to have a bench arrangement as well. But if you don't want that, you can also fold this middle seat down. And now you get some cup holders and some space in that front, in that center console. Coming in the steering wheel, you're going to have a bunch of cool buttons on the steering wheel. You're going to have some buttons to control the dashboard, go through the speedometer, all like that. You're going to have some buttons to make a phone call or cancel a phone call, so you don't even need to take your hands off the wheel. Obviously, you have your cruise control settings as well, but you also have the gear limit buttons on here. Coming to the infotainment system, you're going to have a Uconnect system, which is going to have Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, radio, Sirius XM if you choose that. Ton of cool features. It's also going to have a bunch of features and just setting, so you can kind of make the truck how you like, whether with the audio. It has a bunch of the, towing settings in there as well. But right below that, you're going to have your climate control, be able to adjust, to your preference. And you have all right here is obviously the gear shifter, but you can switch into 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, high, low, whatever you like right down there. And if you have any more questions that I have not already answered, please feel free to reach out at any time. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off Route 101. If you want to come take it for a test drive or just have any more questions.